Hello everyone, welcome to Glorious IAS Academy. So in previous videos we discussed different types of techniques, mnemonics, and also I explained few tabular kind of topics, right? Like in the form of diagrammatic representation we discussed so many topics. So what we are going to do in this video? In this video we are going to discuss an important topic, nothing but the land types during Mughal period. Okay, and why we are discussing this particular topic? The reason is, if you refer to the previous year questions, you can see this topic. Okay, like very frequently questions have been asked from this topic in different competitive examination, not only for UPSC prelims but also for various competitive examinations. So what is this all about? Here you can see in the center, fixed land revenue. So basically during Mughal rule, what they used to do is they used to fix the land revenue basing on the type of the land. Okay, so how they used to categorize these lands, that the categorization priority or the basis for this division of lands, the types of lands, is the fertility of the land. For example, suppose a particular land is having so much of fertility, then the land revenue used to be little more of that particular land when compared to the other. Here you can see like Polaj, Paroti, Chachar, Banjar. So these are like kind of different lands. So they used to fix the land revenue basing on these categories. Okay, for example, if a land is being cultivated every year, okay, that means cultivation is not stopped in between. There is no gap, there is no time period between. Okay, so if the land is cultivated every year, that means it is having a good fertility, soil is having good fertility, and then they used to charge little more. The land revenue used to be fixed little more, and that kind of lands are called as polaj, means every year cultivation. Next, paroti. What do you mean by paroti? Nothing but temporarily left. Okay, so these lands are temporarily left. Okay, not completely, but they will give some time period gap. For example, they are cultivating in 2023. They will leave it for 1 year without any cultivation, and then they will again recultivate it. But why they are doing it? To regain the fertility. Okay, to regain the fertility of the soil, they used to do this. Okay, they used to just leave the land temporarily. So such lands were grouped into this or categorized under this paroti lands. Next, Chachar. Chachar lands are like those lands which have been left for 2 to 3 years without any cultivation. And then Banjar. Banjar are like mostly uncultivable land, okay, which have less soil fertility. So these are mostly left for more than 5 years or 4 years without any cultivation. So Polaj, Paroti, Chachar, Banjar. Okay, just remember this because questions have been asked from this very frequently. Thank you guys. Please do follow and subscribe to Glorious IAS Academy for further such videos and also techniques. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.